Hello everyone, this is Nandita standing before you to give an explanation about human skin. Today we are going to discuss about the human skin. The human skin first, it covers the whole body and it protects the human body from heat, cold and temperature, and it also protects the internal parts of the body. Let us see the structure of a skin. The human skin consists of mainly two parts, that is dermis, epidermis and dermis. The outer layer of the skin is called epidermis and the inner layer of the skin is called dermis. And this epidermis consists of the epidermis consists of an outer layer of cells which is called corneous layer, and this is made up of dead cells. And it contains a protein called this corneous layer, which is outer layer we can call. It contains a protein called keratin. The corneous layer, it is thick on palms and soles. Due to wear and tear, it is shed off in the form of scales which may absorb on the layer of skins. Now let us come to the inner layer of this dermis, we can call as Malpighian layer. See, or germinal layer. This layer consists of dead cells and here this Malpighian layer consists of living cells. In this internal part of the skin there is dermis. This contains a connective tissue and blood vessels. You may observe the blood vessels, nerve fibers, etc. And fat is also deposited in the deeper part of this dermis layer. Now next come to the glands of a skin. The skin have two types of sweat glands. First one is Cbse gland, second one is sweat gland. The sweat gland is coiled and it looks like a tube or duct, and the sweat gland duct opens throughout. We can call this a sweat pore, and it opens through a sweat pore and it ends at the layer of dermis. It ends at the layer of the dermis. Next come to see the Cbse glands, which may also known as oil glands. They produce an oily substance called sebum. This Cbse glands looks like a sac. It has a duct which opens into a hair follicle. This is we can call as hair follicle. Here it is there, hair follicle. The sebum prevents the skin from becoming dry. So this sebum, which is oil substance, is prevent our skin from becoming dry. Through the sweat pores, the sweat comes out from the body. It gets evaporated and keeps the body cool. In winter season, due to the cool environment, the blood vessels becomes narrow and the sweat production is also reduced. Thus, the skin keeps the body warm in winter season. These sweat glands, these two type of sweat glands, they do the excretory function also. Sometimes they absorb excess of water, salts, urea and uretes form of blood. This substance, they are sent out in the form of a sweat from skin to out of the body. This is the major function of the skin. Thank you. This is Nandita from Sono Academy.